Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix that annoying crackling or popping sound in Windows 11. If your audio sounds robotic or static, it's usually not your speakers, it's just a setting that is acting up. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. So, the most common reason for this crackling is actually a feature Windows uses to try and improve your sound, but sometimes it glitches out. We're simply going to turn that off. Go ahead and right-click on the little speaker icon down in your taskbar near the clock. From the menu that pops up, click on Sound Settings. You'll see a list of your speakers. I want you to click on the arrow next to the one you are actually using, like speakers or headphones, to open its properties. Now, scroll down a little bit until you see a section called Audio Enhancements. If that drop-down menu says Device Default Effects or anything else, go ahead and click it and change it to Off. Play a video or song immediately to check. For most people, this fixes the crackle instantly. If turning off enhancements didn't work, the issue might be that your computer is trying to play audio at a quality level your speakers don't like. We need to match them up. Stay in that same settings menu we were just in. Look for the setting called Format under the Output Settings section. You'll see a drop-down with numbers like 48,000 Hz or 44,100 Hz. Go ahead and click that box and try changing it to a different option. If it's on 48,000 Hz, try switching it to 44,100 Hz, CD quality. Sometimes the studio quality is too high for certain apps, causing that static noise. Lowering it slightly can smooth everything out. Finally, if the settings are fine but the noise is still there, your audio driver might be slightly corrupted. We can force Windows to refresh it. Go ahead and right-click on your Start button and select Device Manager. In the list, look for Sound, Video, and Game Controllers and click the arrow to expand it. Find your audio device. It might be called Realtek Audio or High Definition Audio. Right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. A warning might pop up. Just click Uninstall. Don't worry, your sound will stop for a moment. Now, simply restart your computer. When Windows boots back up, it will automatically reinstall a fresh, clean version of that driver. And that's it. Your audio should be crystal clear again. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.